If you're in need of garage door services in the Orlando, Florida area, look no further than AnyTime Garage Door Service. The highly trained technicians at AnyTime Garage Door Service have more than 15 years of experience and are knowledgeable and professional. If something goes wrong with your garage door that could be detrimental, they offer same-day services and will try to be at your home within an hour of your call, depending on availability. The team always puts customer satisfaction first, and they will always go out of their way to make sure that your needs are taken care of, and that whatever you need is fixed properly. Whether you need garage door repair services, opener installation, broken spring replacement, or annual tune-up and maintenance, the experts at AnyTime Garage Door Service will take care of you. All parts are made with high-quality materials and include great warranties. AnyTime Garage Door Service supports the military and offers military discounts, as well as senior discounts too. Services are affordable and always reliable. With AnyTime Garage Door Service, you can be rest assured that you're in good hands. Get in touch by calling 407-357-0888 and get your garage door needs taken care of instantly.